my channel. This video is gonna be a makeup tutorial on Indian traditional makeup look. I came up with this look. If you want to learn how to do this, then let's begin. But before that, if you are new to the channel, my name is Uditi. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I post a video on YouTube, you get notified first. Let's begin.
I've already moisturized and primed my face. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend the foundation to my face and neck and ears as well. Now I'm applying concealer to my under eyes, on forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, cupid's bow, underneath my contour place, on my lids to highlight my face and conceal the pigmentation. I'm using the same beauty blender and blending it all in to get a seamless finish. Now I'm using my compact powder and dusting it all over my face, especially on my under eyes and on my lids. I'm taking this brown shade and bronzing up my face on the hollows of my cheek, on forehead, underneath my chin, and sides of my nose. Taking this pink color for my blush. Now I'm filling my brows with an eyebrow pencil and I'll be brushing it with a spoolie brush. I'm taking this matte brown shade and with the help of blending brush, applying it on my crease and outer V in to and fro motion, as you can see. Taking this silver color, I'm applying it on my lid with a small brush. I'll be covering whole lid including inner and outer corners. I'm taking same blending brush and without taking any extra color, I'm blending the eyeshadow to avoid any harsh edges. With my black gel liner, I'm making a bold wing liner which looks great on traditional outfits. Then I've applied the same gel liner to my lower lash line. Now I'm smudging it with a pencil brush for a bold look. I've applied false lashes off camera and applying mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Taking this highlighter shade on my fan brush, applying it on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and sweeping it on my brow bones. I'm using this dark maroonish pink shade as my lipstick because when we are doing Indian traditional makeup, bold eyeliner and bold lips looks great, and that makes this makeup different from others. This is the finished look. I hope you like this.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please click on the like button and comment below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It's free, and click that notification bell too. I'll meet you next time. Bye.